How to speed up Windows 11 startup time. This tutorial shows you how to make your Windows 11 PC boot up faster. First, click on the Start button and go to Settings. From there, click on Apps and then click on Startup. At this point, you will see a list of all apps that launch automatically when your PC starts up. From there, toggle off any apps you do not need to start automatically, focusing on ones marked as high impact as these slow down startup the most. After that, go back to Settings and click on System and then click on Power. In the next step, make sure Fast Startup is enabled. Once done, restart your PC and check if the boot time has improved. Following this, go back to Settings and click on Windows Update. From there, make sure all pending updates are installed, as outdated system files can slow down startup. Keep in mind, if your PC is running on an older hard drive, upgrading to an SSD is the single most effective way to dramatically improve startup time, as SSDs boot significantly faster than traditional hard drives. Finally, restart your PC and time how long it takes to boot up to confirm the startup speed has improved after making these changes. And that's it. If this guide helped you speed up your Windows 11 startup time, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.